In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify payments billing statement name and phone details in your Chrome dashboard. If you want your customers to clearly recognize charges from your store when they look at their bank or card statement, this is an important setting to review. Updating your billing statement or payout statement descriptor can help reduce confusion and may even lower the chances of chargebacks caused by customers not recognizing a payment. The good news is that this process is quick and straightforward. To begin, open Settings from your Chrome dashboard. This is where Shopify keeps the main controls for your store, including payment-related options. Once you're inside Settings, choose Payments. In this section, you'll see the payment methods and providers connected to your store. So take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct payment setup before moving on. Under the Shopify Payments card, click Manage. This will open the settings specifically related to Shopify payments, including the business information that appears on customer statements. Depending on your account setup, some labels may look slightly different, but the overall process is the same. Now look for the field labeled Customer Billing Statement or Payout Statement descriptor. This is the area where you can customize the business name and phone details that may appear on a customer's statement. It's a good idea to use a business name that your customers will immediately recognize. If the name is too different from your storefront name, it can create unnecessary confusion. For the phone detail, use a valid business contact number that can help customers reach you if they have questions about a charge. Once you've found the correct fields, type in your preferred custom business name and phone details carefully. Double check for spelling errors or formatting issues before saving, because even small mistakes can affect how the information appears. Keep the wording clear, professional, and easy for customers to identify. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. Your updated billing statement information will now be stored in Shopify Payments. After saving, it's a smart idea to review the settings one more time to confirm the changes were applied properly. Also remember that in some cases, statement descriptors can appear a little differently depending on the customer's bank or card provider. Still,